ElephantCrunch.
Hello Crunchers, ElephantCrunch here, and we are back in World of Warship. What an amazing game! It was a very pleasant surprise. I didn't really know if it would be good or bad. I was like, that's potential, but heard a lot about it, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna try it because some of my buddies is like totally like a big fan of this game, like a huge fan. I was like, alright, it's free. You know, don't lose anything. Is this snowing? And look at the graphics, like it's amazing graphics. The mechanic works. It's very responsive. The angles works, like you just scroll out and you just scroll in, like see like how it just so it changes to that. Okay, the camera needs, you gotta get used to that. Oh, look at the refraction. Wow. And this is a small ship, this is a cruiser, but I just started playing it. So I'm level 2 now, it says. So I think it's like you have to like level up the different kind of countries of ships, like in World of Tanks. So I'm gonna try to level up a little bit with this Japanese one because it's just so amazing. The range is good, it's fast, it has good armor. It just feels really good. What's that? Autopilot? M. What's the M? Whoa. Okay. Wow. That looks amazing. Wow, the zoom effect. Impressive. As you can see down in the southeast corner, there's 2 points. Those are our flag, and the red flag is the enemy. The red flag is over there. That's where the enemy are coming. Usually at this level, like now I'm level 2, so I guess some of them are level 2 too. Is that, oh, let's see here. Yeah. So I'm level 1 against level 2, and we have a couple of ones. That's a big ship. So now it's not that simple anymore. Wow, look at that ship. Big steamer, man. And it's fast, and I'm sure it has a lot of armor. Alright, let's go into our flag. That's inside these borders. And just cap this flag a little bit. Look at the water. Wow. The waves. That's so cool. I like the graphics, is crazy in this game. Wow. Alrighty. So they are very aggressive, my 2 buddies. They are not waiting at all. Which, they're only 2. So that's a gamble. So let's tag along. Let's tag along. See what we can do. Full speed ahead. So it looks like the enemy divided their armies up in 2. We divided our army up in 3. Some is in the flag, some is like on northeast. I'm in south. Come on. I can't hit that, man. Let's try. That's so far away. That is so far away. There we go. That's better. Is he still? No, he's not still. Let's take down the speed a little bit. Let's go after our buddies. Let's do the broadside on the left. fast. Let's go there. Oh, it's full speed again. There we go. It's turning. It's definitely turning. I'm a soft target, so I gotta be really careful. Come on. Oh my god. I can't. I don't want to be sandwiched with the enemy. Looks like I'm... Wow! How did I miss that? Shoot! There we go. Beautiful, beautiful. Ow, 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 ow. That's not very nice. That's a big ship, I think. What the hell is he shooting? What the hell is that? Is that normal bullets? Sounds like rockets almost. So buddies, they don't give a damn, man. Let's turn to the left. Left our buddies. Oh my god, he exploded! What the hell was that kind of shot? Let's position ourselves there, full throttle. Definitely took damage there. But I'm still good. Roger that. Roger that. Oh, probably wants to hit me if he's clever. Because I'm a soft target. This dude. Nice. So far the gamble paid off, man. They only have one ship left. There we go, boys. Well, Warship. Awesome game. Alright, thank you for watching. We really appreciate it. If you like the love, subscribe and support the channel. See you next time.